Hello guys, welcome to D4 Data. Today we are going to discuss how to concatenate two cell values and put it into another cell. So suppose we have a situation like we need to concatenate the first name and last name and enter it into a column where the full name is to be filled. So here either we can use concatenate function, which is an inbuilt function of Microsoft Excel, or you can use the flash fill method. I will explain both methods in this video. So in order to use concatenate function, we'll type concat and you will see this function. You can select that function and select this first cell and a comma. If you want a space in between first name and last name, you can put quotes, space, quotes, then separated by a comma, then select the second cell and press enter. It will come like this, and you can fill this formula to all the cells by dragging it like this, and it will get auto-filled. The second method which I'm explaining is the flash fill method. So you can just type whatever you want in this column, like JOAVIDEN, and then drag it like this so that it will fill the same value in all the cells. But you can change it using this flash fill method so that it will get changed to the corresponding values. And if you want to append anything more to this, like if you want to add president and type enter, every cell will get updated like this. And if you want a space, you simply put a space in between, every cell will get updated. So hope you guys find this video helpful. We will meet with another video soon. Thank you.